Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new series, PyTorch versus TensorFlow. In this series, we are going to build, train, and deploy deep learning models using both frameworks and see how they compare in real world use. Here's what we'll be building step by step. This is a web app built using Django. I can upload an image here, click compare, and the app runs the image through two trained CNN models, one built with PyTorch and one with TensorFlow. As you can see, both models predict the image as a frog, but with slightly different confidence percentages. Cool, right? So through this series, you'll not only learn how to build a CNN for image classification, but also understand the practical differences between PyTorch and TensorFlow in terms of syntax, training, and saving models. We'll start from scratch and go all the way to deploying a working AI-powered web app just like this one. This series is divided into 4 videos. Video 1, this introduction, where I'm showing you the final project and the overall plan. Video 2, we'll build and train a CNN on the CIFAR-10 dataset using PyTorch and save the trained model. Video 3, we'll do the exact same thing, but using TensorFlow so you can directly compare both frameworks. And in video 4, we'll integrate both models into this Django app so users can upload an image and instantly see predictions from both models side by side. So make sure you subscribe and follow along because by the end of this playlist, you'll have hands-on experience in model building, training, saving, and full web deployment all in one project. So I will see you guys in the next video where we will begin with the PyTorch implementation. Okay, bye-bye.